Welcome back to FAB Automotive Detailing. In this video, I'll be doing an unboxing of Shiny's Car Care Products Mystery Box. Let's do it. On Sunday evening, February 24th, I ordered a mystery box off of Shiny's Car Care Products website, shinysdetails.com. And this is Wednesday the 27th at lunchtime when I got home from lunch for lunch today. This box was here. It actually was delivered at 11 o'clock this morning. That's 2.5 days. I ordered Sunday night, and it's free shipping. Their customer service and their shipping is on point at Shiny's Details. Or Shiny's Car Care Products. I would say Shiny's Details because that's the website's name, Shiny's Details, but Shiny's Car Care Products. A lot of you may not know that Shiny's Details has mystery boxes. Now they have two different types. For $75, you get a mystery box and they guarantee you $150 worth of liquid products. They're going to send you 12 of their liquid products for $75 and the value is going to be $150 or more. You can take the mystery away for $24.99 on top of the $75 for $24.99 more, and pick what 12 bottles you want, but you're still getting a great value in my opinion. You guys know the products that I have tried from them so far I absolutely love. They're microfibers, they're liquid products I've tried, which I have to look over there to remember. The butter wax, the quick detail, and their auto shampoo. So I'm hoping to I don't get the same items. Sometimes that happens in mystery boxes. If you've ever ordered one from a different company before, that happens. Trust me, I've got doubles of a lot of stuff from another company. But there are two items in here that are not part of the mystery box. I ordered these separate because I wanted to make sure that I got these. I really wanted to try them out. It's McKee's 37's SiO2 spray and McKee's 37 SiO2 wash. So, and they were having a deal on that. Buy one, get the second bottle half off. That's why I got both of them. So let's open this up. I'm excited about this. Papa Smurf, he just made a video the other day on his mystery box, and I saw the stuff that he got, so I'm real excited to see what I got. Like I said, it's priority mail today. I don't want to show you guys my address, but it's priority mail today on there. So, and he probably shipped it out Monday afternoon, and I had it Wednesday morning, and that's awesome. So what we're going to do, I'm going to open this up, show you guys what I got, and then I'm going to shut the camera off. I'll total it all up and then turn the camera back on. We'll figure out how much worth of products that I got. Like I said, I know two things are in here. And as always, packing is always really good. You always get a Shiny's Detailing Products sticker. And then I'm not going to show you guys my address, but I will show you I did pay full price for this. So the mystery, I'm going to see if I can get in the camera, probably not, but the mystery box was $75. Right there. And then the McKee's 37 Hydro Blue coating spray is $19.99. The McKee's SiO2 Auto Wash 16 ounces is $17.99, which is $103.99 is my total because I got $8.99 off for the promotion they had going on, buy one, get one half off. So my total that I paid was $103.99. Yeah, I'm excited. Woo, there's a lot of stuff in here. Holy cow, there's a lot of stuff in here. I'm going to see if I can find the McKee's first. Yep, looks like he did these separate. So here's my McKee's SiO2 Auto Wash in this one. And I have seen some absolutely amazing videos about the McKee's Hydro Blue SiO2 coating. It is really good for wheels, spraying on your wheels. You just spray it on while it's wet and then rinse it off immediately. Same thing on your paint. There is no prepping, I don't believe. I have not read the directions, I just got it. Vehicle that is well maintained. The smoother the surface, the better. Working one panel. Yeah, it doesn't have you working it into the panel at all. Even for the first application like other products. So I'm really looking forward to that. But I knew that those were in here. Now this... Look at that. That thing is full. Okay, let's just open these up. First item. Shiny's Bullshine Wash and Wax. I know somebody, when I made my auto shampoo, I've had a couple people ask me to do a review on the wash and wax, so that's awesome that I got that. The second is Bullshine Gloss Tire Shine. Really cool color blue. I like that color a lot. And then Bullshine Trim Restorer. So this is going to be for your trim and probably tires. Restores bumpers and trim, you know, the plastic trim around your car. I don't know if it can be used on the interior or not. It says it does have UV protectors in it. Bumpers, trim, weather the elements with no streaking when wet or in the rain. So I will definitely be doing a review. I'll be doing a review on all this stuff. Do a review on that. Just going to throw my trash on the floor. This is a 3-pack of something here. Bullshine Finishing Polish. That's going to be your finish cut to finish the surface down good. Bullshine Cutting Polish. That would probably be step, well, it says it right there. Oh, I never noticed that before. Of course, I've never had these before. And Bullshine Heavy Cut Polish. If you notice, these bottles tell you step 1, then the cutting polish is step 2, and then the finishing polish is step 3. That is awesome. I love the bottles. I like Shiny's packaging, their labels. Oh, I see exactly what I was hoping I would get. First thing that I've been wanting to try is their glass cleaner. Now, I don't know, most of you guys, if you know me, I have to have all my sprayers to the left, I guess is what you call it, or actually it's to your right if you're holding it. Here's why. I like to be able to see when I'm holding it what the product is. I know that sounds stupid, but in my cabinet, all my products, the sprayers face the exact same direction in my cabinets. So the glass cleaner, I've heard good stuff about it. Haven't seen any reviews on it yet, so I may be the first one to ever review it. Who knows? And then this is the Bullshine Spray Sealant. That is so cool. I have seen really good things on his website about this, to put this on and then not the buttery wax, the spray wax, which is what that right there is, and the paint is just absolutely smooth afterwards. I'm going to lay all these out here so you guys can see them all as I'm taking them out. And then this one, I have talked to Steve, and he absolutely loves this product. He swears by his spray wax, and we're definitely going to be doing review videos on all this stuff, like I said, but that is really cool. Let's see what this smells like, just out of curiosity. Ooh, that smells good, but I don't know what that is, though. Not a smell that's really ringing a bell. Okay, let's see. 3 more bottles here. Bullshine Interior Cleaner. Definitely want to check that out. I love interior cleaners because I like to clean the interior before I apply any type of detailer or a protectant on the interior. Second item. Oh, this one is leaking. Well, I thought it was. Yeah, but it's leaking. Right out of the sprayer. Ain't no big deal, but Bullshine Bug Gone. I have not tried that yet. Doesn't smell bad. It smells like a cleaner. I'm going to have to fix that sprayer. I have extra sprayers, so that ain't no big deal. And then Bullshine Blue I don't know how you say that. Caraco Degreaser. This is going to be great for degreasing, you know, the engine bay, stuff like that. So that is awesome. That is all of the liquid products. I do have a little bit of this on my hands. I'm sorry. Let me get a little bit off. You know, when you have that many bottles in one box, you kind of expect something to happen, maybe. Also got a waffle towel. 16 by 16. I think this is what they call the plush waffle, and that is very, very soft. Let's see if I can show you it. This one right here, I would say, I'm not sure, but I would have to say that this is a glass towel for their glass cleaner, because that's typically what a glass towel looks like. So I would say that's a glass towel. And this one right here, I am not sure of. I don't think I've ever seen one of these before. It's kind of like a waffle weave on the inside, and then a drying towel on the outside. I've never seen one of these towels. I'll have to go on their website now and just to see what it is. I have no idea what this towel is, but it's very, very cool. I don't know. It's a dual purpose, maybe. You guys let me know. I mean, I'm gonna look at the website before. In fact, I'll let you guys know, because I'm gonna get on the website to price everything here in just a minute, and we will see what all this is worth. I'll see what this towel right here is, and then we'll go from there. Let me give you a quick view of all the stuff. Look at that, $75 worth. That's what I paid for all of that. That is really, really awesome. Okay, so I got all the prices right here on this piece of paper. It's actually the back of the receipt. I first want to start off by saying, because I think some people think that I'm sponsored by Shinies. I am not. It's a company that I found last May, and I bought some towels. I loved them, and then I bought some of their liquid products and loved them. And they're a newer company. They formed at the end of 2017. Great guy. I've talked to him several times, and so far the products I have are great. I love his products. I mean, look at them. They look really nice. I don't know if you can see them. They look really nice. And hopefully these work just as good as the other ones. If they do, then it's a win-win for me, because I got, well, you're about ready to find out how much the total was that I've got. But I want to try to make this video as quick as possible. I don't want a really long video. I did message him and ask him what this towel right here is, because I can't find it on his website. And he said these are towels that he looked at but didn't make the cut. He didn't really care for them, so he used them as packing material. He said, you know, it'd make a good towel for like dishes or something like that. But he said, I kind of get creative sometimes, because he ran out of packing material. Like I said, he's a very small company working out of his home. So he's, you know, he has a probably pretty small budget, and he's trying to get his products out there, which he's doing a really good job at it. And you guys are awesome, because you guys have been ordering from him because of my videos, and I appreciate that. But I get no cut out of any of that, nothing. I want you guys to know that I don't. I'm not affiliated with the company. Maybe one day that'd be awesome if I could be. You never know what could happen in the future. But he did send the glass towel. This is a glass towel, and he wanted me to give this a shot with the glass cleaner, give him my feedback on it, and then the plush waffle towel as well. So I am going to tell you what we got. I did this in order. Like I said, fast as possible. The wash and wax is $12.99 on the site. The gloss tire shine is $15.99 on the site. Bull shine trim restore is $12.99. No, hang on. Yeah, Bull shine trim restore is $12.99. All the polishes, cutting polishes, are $19.99 a piece. The glass cleaner is $9.99. The spray sealant is $19.99. $16.99 for the Carnauba spray wax. $12.99 for the interior cleaner. $12.99 for the bug gone, and $12.99 for the blue. I don't know how you say Croco, I guess. Degreaser. My grand total, I paid $75 for this. My grand total is $187.88. If I went on his website right now and I put all these in my cart, $187, and I got these for $75. So very, very happy with that. I can't wait to make these videos for you guys. I'm going to be reviewing all of these, but I do have other companies' products coming up, so I've got a detail hopefully this weekend. Hopefully the customer shows up. It's on a 2018 Chevy Tahoe, and the day you guys watch this, which will be Saturday, I'll be detailing the car hopefully and making video of that. But I'm going to try all these out. I can't wait. The trim restore and the spray sealant and the Carnauba spray wax, I really can't wait to try out. But I'm going to try every one of this out. He says his glass cleaner is really, really good. I'm definitely going to try that out, because you guys know I do have a favorite. And then the stuff that I ordered that wasn't in my mystery box that I ordered separate, the Hydro Blue, the SI2 coatings from McKee's. Seen great videos on those, so I'm going to definitely make some review videos on those as well. So if you guys, want to try Shinies out and you're not sure, what products to buy, mystery box, $75, and it's free shipping. And I had it in basically 2 days, because they probably shipped it out Monday morning, Monday afternoon. I had it Wednesday morning. 2 days. Great customer service, great shipping, free shipping on almost everything on their website, which is amazing. Most companies don't do that at all. Very happy with what I got in my mystery box. Let me know what you guys think. Put it down in the comment section. If you have tried any of these products, put it down in the comment section. Let me know how these products work for you. That way I can kind of get an idea of what I'm looking at. I love feedback from you guys. I love interacting with you guys. I appreciate the live streams that we do every Saturday night. You guys are awesome. Great questions. Every Saturday night we have really good questions on detailing stuff and auto stuff and all kinds of stuff. I really appreciate you guys more than you can probably understand. It's really, really cool. It's just a family. I call it the Fab Family Hangout Saturday Night Lives for a reason. It's not my family hanging out. It's the FAB Automotive Detailing channel family is hanging out every Saturday night at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time because I live in Indiana. I love that. I'd like to see you guys there. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button while you're down there. Hit that little bell so every time I upload a video, you get notified. And we will see you in the next video.